911, police, fire, or medical.
Police.
And what is going on?
I think there's an intruder in one of the bathrooms, but
Okay.
the bathroom door is locked. We see a shadow moving around, and the door is closed.
How many people inside the house?
There are 2 people inside, plus the intruder.
Incident number 797, burglary in progress. They knocked on the door, nobody's responding, but they hear noises coming from inside the bathroom.
5336, can we start a dog this way? We're hearing some sort of noises in the back of the house.
Last chance. Beaver to police. Searching the building with the canine. Come out now or you're going to get bit.
They believe someone's inside the bathroom. The bathroom door is locked and they can see a shadow under the door.
We're entering right now. We are all inside now.
Yes.
5366, we can clear the signal too. It is a robot vacuum cleaner.
Copy, it's a robot.
Clear. There's a bad guy.